Well, Cardano has a new partner. They're welcoming in cross-chain protocol Spectrum Finance. In this video, we're going to talk about what it means for ADA holders, what it means for the Cardano ecosystem, and the cross-chain decentralized exchange Spectrum Finance has found its newest partner in this innovative smart contract platform, Cardano. These two are set to benefit from each other, and Spectrum Finance, known for its unique ability to foster trustless, cross-chain, programmable messaging, will now extend its reach into the Cardano ecosystem, opening up new opportunities for interoperability. The idea to communicate across blockchains. So this making Cardano more interoperable, and let's dive into it. In the crypto space, Spectrum Finance has emerged as a recognizable brand, no doubt about it. It operates Spectrum Finance Ergo AMM and Spectrum Finance Cardano AMM, set of smart contracts that implement the Uniswap V2 and Cardano Layer 1 blockchain as well. As a result, users can now execute actions like swapping native Ethereum from the Ethereum mainnet to native ADA, making it super easy, right? Of course, this is not always the case. This is all done right on the Cardano mainnet without any hassle at all. So Cardano basically stands to gain significantly from this partnership with Spectrum Finance. Of course, Cardano built on a foundation of peer-reviewed research. They take their time with a lot of high-assurance development. They don't fast-track things. They're a platform aspiring to deliver more advanced features for the user. And again, by bringing in Spectrum Finance here into the fold, Cardano will benefit from that enhanced interoperability and the ability to offer its users a broader range of cross-chain functionality. Anytime you're able to do this, you bring in more users, right? Because people are always looking for convenience factors, right? If you make it more convenient, people are going to use your product over other products. And Cardano, with a big partnership helping do that here today. It also opens the door to build dApps that can tap into the combined potential of Cardano's smart contract capabilities and Spectrum's cross-chain abilities. So it allows things to be built easier cross-chain. It sets the stage for the creation of innovative dApps with unprecedented reach and functionality, leveraging the best of both worlds. So Cardano holders, excited about this one, and we'll be keeping tabs on it. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Take care.